Sounds nice.
Thanks. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. As always, I forgot to film an intro and an outro, but this is the intro to today's video. Basically, I'm just gonna be installing my wing in the car and then getting some reactions. So yeah, here it is. You're just gonna casually walk by this thing like... Walk by what? The package. Nut. It's basically how it's gonna be. These are the end plates. These things are sturdy. Alright, so I just got everything in my mom's car and I'm headed over to my friend Jeff's house. His dad's actually going to help me install it, so let's go. So we got the clamps on there and now we're just kind of going to line it up. Because there's the two layers on the Subaru trunks. There we go. We got the mounts in, and now we're just gonna set up the wing on it and see how it looks. Here we are.
I gotta take a picture.
Oh my god, it looks so good. So right now I'm dropping my car off at my favorite shop, and they're gonna take care of my up pipe. But I just wanted to install the wing, and then I'm dropping it off here. So shout out to Mighty Muffler. I'm about to head over to Mighty Muffler and pick up my car. Walking over right now.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, and if you can just sign this one.
All right. It had a nasty exhaust leak, and so hopefully it's all good. Oh, it definitely is. All right, so I haven't tested if it made boost yet, but before they fixed the up pipe, it was actually making no boost at all. It was a crazy up pipe leak, but you can see the wing looks really good. And tonight I needed it before HOI, but let's see if it makes boost. Oh my god. You guys do not know how much money I fucking spent on this car, and it hasn't made power in so long. I am so fucking excited. Oh my god.
Finally, bro, this shit's fire. Oh my god, that's tough. What a beauty.
There he is.
What's up, bro? Damn, holy fuck. You can eat off this thing.
I know. Welcome to the end of the video. After I filmed the video of me installing the wing and getting the reaction and stuff, I actually headed to H2OI. If you don't know what H2OI is, it's basically like the biggest car meet of the East Coast, and I took my car there. I filmed a lot, so next Sunday is going to be a fire upload, so stay tuned and hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.